What's up, YouTube? My name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV. Welcome to Kenny J TV. If this is your first time, feel free to browse around and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe and hit that bell for our latest notification. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to Kenny J TV. Have you ever thought about the kind of legacy you'll leave behind? How your family will survive financially if something happens to you? Or perhaps you want to support a cause that is dear to your heart even after you're gone? In this video, we'll talk about how to create a legacy plan with life insurance. And no, I promise it is not as difficult as it sounds. With just a few steps that I will provide in this video, you will be able to provide a lasting impact and create a legacy for you and your family once you transition. So what exactly is a legacy plan? A legacy plan is a roadmap for your wealth, goals, and values to live on after you. But here's the thing, you don't have to be super rich in order to create a legacy plan. It's for anyone who wants to leave behind something meaningful, whether that's for your family, your community, or a cause that you deeply care about. Life insurance is one of the most powerful tools in legacy planning. Why? Because it ensures that your dreams and your goals can continue even if the unexpected happens. Think of life insurance like a safety net, for example. Even if you can't continue, your dreams and your legacy can because you invested in life insurance. Step 1, you want to define your legacy goals. What type of impact do you want to leave behind? Do you want to make sure that your family is debt-free? Do you want to set up a tuition fund for your children? Or do you want to give back to a charity or an organization that means something to you? For example, I had a client who used life insurance to set up a scholarship fund at her alma mater. It was her way of giving back and leaving a legacy of education. Step 2, find the right life insurance policy. You want to find a policy that aligns with your goals. Term insurance is great if you're looking for an affordable and temporary coverage, but on the other hand, whole life insurance offers a lifetime of coverage and it has cash value, which makes it perfect for long-term legacy planning. And if you have more questions or you still don't know which way you want to go, reach out to an agent like myself and I can walk you through the pros and the cons of each product to make sure that you choose the right life insurance policy for your legacy planning. Step 3, you want to designate your beneficiaries, and you can have multiple beneficiaries. This is a very crucial part of the entire legacy planning process, as well as your life insurance as well. It can be your spouse, it can be your children, a charity, or even a trust. But always make sure that when your life changes, to update your beneficiaries. So if you get a divorce, your spouse doesn't automatically come off of the life insurance policy. So you want to make sure that if you do get divorced, you put your children or you put your new spouse or what have you. Make sure to update your life insurance policies as you have life changes. Step 4, you want to align with your financial plan. So think of life insurance as a piece of the puzzle for your full financial picture. Make sure it aligns with your investments, your savings, and retirement account. And if you don't know what you're looking for or what to look at, always consult with a financial planner and they can make sure that your financial plan in its entirety is working together seamlessly. Step 5, you want to communicate your plan. I know a lot of people don't like to talk about death, but guess what? It's inevitable. I'll put money on that. Everyone is going to die. We don't know when, where, or how, but we know it is coming. And to ensure that your legacy is carried out in the way that you intend for it to happen, you have to communicate with the beneficiary, with your loved ones, to say, this is where all the important documents are. This is where the life insurance policy is, because if they don't know where these things are, on top of grieving your death, now they're having to scramble around. And God forbid, if they can't find your life insurance policy, guess what? Now they're having to pay out of pocket to bury you because they can't just wait around and hope that the life insurance policy will show up. Of course, they may still look for it after you've been buried or put to rest, but that is a financial burden on a lot of people because the average funeral, at least in North Carolina, costs anywhere from $8,000 to $12,000. And who has that laying around? Let's talk about why life insurance is such an important tool when it comes to legacy planning. Number one, there are tax benefits. Most life insurance policies pay out tax-free, meaning the beneficiary will receive the benefit with no tax deductions, which is a big deal when it comes to paying for huge expenses like a tuition or mortgage. Number two, life insurance doesn't fluctuate. A lot of other investments, they do fluctuate up and down, but life insurance stays right here. And that's important because it helps you to understand the legacy or the amount of money that you're leaving behind. And number three, it's flexible. You can use life insurance for anything from paying off debt to paying for tuition to starting a nonprofit in your name. The options are limitless. Of course, there are some pitfalls to look out for. Number one, a lot of people underestimate the amount of life insurance that they need. Of course, you want to think about the burial, the funeral, but also factor in debt, education, and ongoing family support. You also want to make sure that you have your beneficiaries updated. You don't want your ex-spouse or an outdated charity to receive that payout. Make sure that your life insurance policy reflects your current wishes. Lastly, don't try to figure this out all alone. Reach out to a professional like myself and we can walk you through the process to make sure that you're not making any costly mistakes and to ensure that the process is smooth. All in all, creating a legacy plan with life insurance isn't just about the money, but it ensures that your values and your dreams live on by defining your goals, choosing the right policy, and communicating your plan will ensure that your legacy will live on and make an impact. If this video has helped you at all or has encouraged you to start your legacy planning, please let me know in the comments below and send this to 3 people that can benefit from this information as well. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for my latest notification. We are dropping a video every week. Again, my name is Kenny J, the insurance guru, and this is Kenny J TV.